Hi guys, it's Dave from Outdoorsman Dave, New Zealand. So look, sadly I've got to fix my Therm-a-Rest. This puppy is something like 30 years old, first time it's ever been punctured. So I'm going to be using Therm-a-Rest instant repair kit, going to head to a quiet little spot and let's get this thing done. So I've got a rock underneath here to provide a bit of a platform. So the first thing you need to do obviously is to find out where the leak is. Just quickly blow this up. Now I have a pretty good idea where it is because I plunged it into the river before, but I've had to dry it out. But it's around this area somewhere. Can't hear it. So you're going to need something like some soapy water. So in my case, I've just put this in this container. And I'll just spray this in the area that I think it is. And you can not only see the bubbles, you can hear it as well. I think that's the only hole. So I'll just dry this off. Now I'm actually going to have to leave this for just a little bit while this dries out. So we'll just put that in the sun. Right, so the Therm-a-Rest instant field kit, so New Zealand dollars, that cost me $20. I actually got this from a store called Torpedo 7. Let's open this up, crack this puppy open and see what's inside. Alright, so we have an instruction. We won't be needing that. We have a patch. Hopefully we'll only need one of those. We have some glue dots and we have some alcohol wipes. So between those three we should get this done. Remove the printed side, which is that one, and then push really thoroughly down. Oh, that was better. And then press down with your thumb. Now my thumb wants to stay. I'm going to take that right over that seam. Right. I'm going to be brave enough to blow this up. Let's see what happens. I tell you what, that's worked actually pretty well. This Therm-a-Rest has been absolutely fantastic. What I've really loved about it is and I've actually really struggled to find anything that is comparative, and that is just how much this puppy I did have a strap for it, but I've misplaced it. I mean, seriously, that's how small it is. Isn't it amazing? The sad thing is though is this mattress isn't getting any thicker, and I seem to be. So as I get a little bit older, and as I'm not scared to carry a little bit more weight, I've actually already upgraded this, but it was certainly worth fixing. Because it served me really well, and it'll be really good to have a spare. Anyway, that's me for now. The fixing of my Therm-a-Rest ultralight mattress. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and I will certainly catch you on the next video.